Fluoramics discount bundles combine popular Fluoramics products into 7 different assortment packages at a discounted price. The household maintenance bundle includes Hinderust S 4.0, Hinderust rust-stopping lubricating oil, CompuLube, and Lube It 8. It includes everything you need to take care of your house, yard, and electronics. Hinderust S 4.0 provides rust control and lubrication for metal parts that need protection before and after exposure to the elements. It's great for surface protection to stop corrosion on garage door cables, lawnmowers, shovels, and so much more. Hinderust rust-stopping lubricating oil stops rust in its tracks and provides lubrication for moving parts. The dropper tip bottle makes it easier to apply and get in hard-to-reach places. CompuLube is a lightweight synthetic oil that is safe for use on electronics. It can be used on keyboard switches, computer fans, gaming controllers, record players, and more. Lube It 8 is a versatile general-purpose lubricant that prevents rust and acts as a cleaning agent. It can be used on sewing machines, door hinges, window hardware, and more. Click the link in the description to order today at Fluoramics.com or give us a call.